8 and 7. We are getting 7. How we
Yes.
are getting 7? If you add 1 plus 7 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1
Mm-hmm.
plus 9 plus 8 and plus 4, you will get it 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we are having two numbers, that is 8, that is your total number of your date of birth exactly, and the
Mm-hmm.
total date of birth is coming up to 7. So we are now getting two numbers, 8 and 7. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to check out the combination of 8 and 7, and by this date of birth we can tell someone also their qualities too. This is all about numerology is.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. And if this combination, that is your this number is known as the driver number and this number is known
Mm-hmm.
as the destiny number or the conductor number. Total.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we are having driver number and the conductor or the destiny number with us. We have to check out their qualities, their combination, whether they are okay or not. Now, how are we gonna check this out? Now, 8 and 7. Tell me, 8 is related to Shani.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And 7 relates to Ketu.
Mm-hmm.
Now tell me, according to you, whether the combination of 8 and 7, that is Shani and Ketu, whether they are okay or not.
Well, it depends, but it's okay.
But
The
as per their qualities, as per their combinations, is that okay?
issues at the beginning of, and I can confirm that since the beginning, I saw things differently, like in a mature way. I saw heavy things,
Okay,
like in
okay,
life.
okay.
Yes, yeah. It was a little bit how do you call it? Challenging, but
Challenging,
that
tough,
yeah. Mhm.
ups and
But
downs.
yes, but that gave me the opportunity and strength to go for spiritual things. And Ketu is related to
Spirituality.
spirituality,
You know what?
metaphysical, and astrology. The psyche,
Astrology.
the psyche
Psychic mind, yeah.
things, yes,
You know
but
what?
more to the
Before,
yogic things.
yes.
Mhm.
When I was about to start this topic, so I was thinking about you that you must be number 7. Must 7 number must be there in your date of birth. That's why
Yes.
you're in this field like spirituality and
Mhm.
astrology and these things. Because 7 number of people must be having the 7 number in their date of birth, maybe total, maybe driver number or conductor number, or must be 7
Mhm.
inside that. So this is true. Well, we are having 7 as a total number of your date of birth. Now we have to check out the combination of 8 and 7 as I asked you. So 8 is what Shani. Shani says you that you have to move in that particular direction. Okay. And 7 number is what spirituality is there, and but it's like it's not having its head, but some other qualities are there as nature gifting that kind of quality because he's incomplete because he's 7 number. So that's why the combination accordingly is not that okay, but in earlier stage, but at the end, as 7 number, you on that field also. So somewhere it's really getting gel with these numbers, and 8 and 7 we can say this is a okay combination. Well, and at this stage, this 7 number is influencing you more rather than number 8, which is gives you little struggles, hard work and all. But 7 number is there to help you out at this age, influencing you more. So we check out the combinations of these numbers with other numbers. The spelling of your name. What is the spelling of your name?
Well, that is the thing. I have two names. One is what the name my
Parents,
parents
parents
gave,
give you.
and then
But
my
right now, what you use is your the second name, I guess.
yeah, my spiritual name was given. It's Brihat.
So spelling of it is.
Brihat.
This is the name with which people call you mostly now.
Yes. Now,
Now, okay.
yeah,
If we
because in my small circle, it's what
Mhm.
it's what they call me. Yeah.
Okay. So if we
Yes.
give the numbers to this alphabets, these numbers, so how are we gonna give this number? Have any idea?
Yeah, I think it's two. B is two, if I remember.
Okay. Right now we have written just your name and we are giving the number to each and every single alphabet in your name.
Okay.
Okay. From 1 to 9. Okay. So B is number 2, then R is number 2 as well, then I is 1, and then H is 5, A is 1 and T is 4. So if we total these numbers, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4, we'll be getting 15. No?
5 and 4 is 9, and then 5.
1
It should give 5.
2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 15, 10 plus 4, 14, and plus 1, 15.
Okay.
Okay, then 15, if we add 1 plus 5, we're getting 6. So your number is coming on this planet Venus, or we call this Shukra, and your date of birth is having 8 and 7.
Yes.
Right? So combination with 6 and 8. What do you think? 6 and 8 is a combination. Is it a good combination or not?
Yes, good combination.
Good combination, 6 and 8?
Yes. Venus
That means you're
and
saying
Venus and Shani.
Shani. Accordingly, how you can say that Shani and number 6 and number 8, that is Shani and Shukra, are having good combination? How you can say this?
Because well, in astrology they're friends. Shukra
They are
and
friends.
Shani. Yes, they're friends, and they help each other.
Okay, so what benefit one can get if they are together like 6 and 8?
Well, it's actually 6 represent love itself, represent artistic, but it represent the universal love, the love to God, devotion, bhakti, as well the artistic thing, creativity. So it's all about what I have been experiencing. It's interesting because before that, if we can see the name Caesar.
What is the spelling?
CESAR.
CESAR.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, if we write down CESAR, what is the total?
No, I don't remember exactly the numbers of
Its
every
total is
single
well
letter.
5.
Yeah.
Its well total is 5. How to 5? The C is 3, then E is 5, then S is 3, then A is 1, and the R is 2. So if we total them, we're gonna have 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12, and 12 plus 2, 14. That is 5. Okay. So before that, you're having 5 number qualities. But I think you must not be writing down Caesar, just Caesar. Maybe something else also you're writing with this name.
No, it's like that. Actually, in Spanish is César.
Okay.
But I usually in English they put extra letter, but
yes,
yeah, no, it's like that. CESAR.
CESR. Okay, this number is also well good. What do you think about the combination of 8 and 5? Because 5 is just the main number and 8 is your this driver number.
Yeah, actually that was my as well. The 5. Well, first struggle like being in like in different world of the seeing it had something very strange because since my childhood I could see struggle of the world people, and I had to mature a little bit earlier in life. I had to see heavy things in humanity. So that is Shani as well. It takes Maya out of your eyes and say, look, do you want to stay here anymore? Are you sure? That's why it gives you strength. It gives you maturity. So, and then 5, I think it relates what I have been doing in life since before I took my initiation towards spiritual life, but learning was my focus all the time. A little bit, yeah. Learning, knowledge, discovering things all the time is pretty much.
Absolutely. So this is how we will check the combination with your name number and your driver and conductor number. Fine. If they're
Mm-hmm.
getting the good combinations, then we don't touch the names and everything. But if suppose if they're not getting the good numbers, then we change the name by adding some alphabets or decreasing some alphabet. Okay. In this way, we change the numbers, change the quality of any name or the on which the total is coming, like 5 and 6. But right now, what you're using the name, like Brihan. So this is coming on 15, which total up to 6. So this is very well going with your name, with your date of birth, 8 and 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I think there's no need to change anything or adding anything or decreasing anything. Fine. So this is the perfect name we already get. And this is how the idea about this all is that to check out the combinations of these numbers. That's it. With their
Mm-hmm.
quality. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we are just studying this subject numerology now. If you want to discuss much more about this, some names or some date of birth, we can. Otherwise, this is all about numerology, and this is what we check the combinations and everything.